amazing. It was really, really cool. I love the family feel, family vibe to it. We had a few people dancing, a few people enjoying themselves, so really, really nice, really, really nice. Yeah, it's very different. It's very different. Obviously, a lot of the time when I go to performances, that people will know the songs already, so people come out to see you. But coming to somewhere like this and people not knowing you maybe at the start, but then by the end, there's that appreciation. That's what I really love, and I think that's what music's all about. It's not all about everyone knowing everything at the start, but people connecting through music is why it started writing music really. So. The last song I performed was called So Far Gone. No one knows it yet, so it's the first time saying it. It's going to be out on the 17th of March next month. I've been a bit of a while since I've released anything because I was changing my name and changing rebranding and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to finally get some music out. So 17th of March is going to be So Far Gone. I'm playing in Northampton tonight. That's a place I've never been to Northampton either, so I'm just finding these new places, which is amazing. So Northampton in Escape, I think it's like a nightclub, and we're going to be up there tonight. And then back down to London tomorrow for another show in Croydon.